How to get Uber driver's number. First thing you have to do is head over to your Uber app and open it up. And once you launch your application, you will see this interface where you can log into your Uber or continue with it. Just make sure that you log into your here. Once you open up your application and log in, you should see something like this on your home interface. Now you're going to have to go to the ride modes. And then here you'll find the call option and you can pick a note as well. So you can tap on this call icon to get your driver's number. And if you've already gotten off the ride and you still want the number, then in that case, you're going to have to contact Uber support. So what you're going to have to do is head over to any web browser right here and then simply search for Uber support. Once you've searched for it, tap on the first link, Uber help. And then from here, you're going to have to go to riders and then simply ask them what happened and you want their number. So give details about your latest ride and you'll be able to get number from here. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.